Oh, shit!
Go!
Ryan, slow down. Slow down.
What the fuck was that about? I told you to stay put. Didn't I fucking tell you to stay put?
Yeah, well, we had no food left. What's the point in dicking about the place?
Fucking dicking around and nearly got shot because of you.
Yeah, well, you didn't. And now we've got food.
Yeah, well, from now on, we stop only to eat and sleep. That's it.
What if I need to take a shit?
Oh, you think this is funny, do you? Oh, you think this... Oh, what are you
doing?
Kick your fucking
What are you
ass.
doing?
What, I'm gonna kick your fucking head? No, son, come on, get out of the fucking car.
What are you doing?
Fucking
Leave him alone.
Leave him
What are you
alone.
acting like a prick
Oh, yeah,
for?
it sounded like
Leave
you're
him.
fucking sorry.
Get
Fucking
back
back
in the
off.
car.
The next time I tell you to stay put, you fucking do as I say.
Whatever. Fucking hell.
What?
There's holes in the bumper.
Could have been your fucking head.
Should have seen your face though when you seen the shotgun. Shit!
How come we got no petrol?
Pull over here, let's have a look. Shit!
What is it now?
That fucking yokel farmer shot the tank.
Right, look, I'll try sort it. Do we have any gaffer?
Yeah, it's in my bag. Do you want to pass it?
No, it's my car. I'll fix it. You get the tape. I'll leave you two to it. You got it?
Yeah. You should just let me do it. Your hand's clearly fucked.
No, I can sort it. It's my fucking car.
Do you even know what you're doing?
I'm sticking tape on a petrol tank. Right there. I should do it.
Are you putting off on?
Yes, I'm putting it off for fuck's sake. Petrol's not going to get us very far.
Well, it looks like we're here for the night then, doesn't it? Pass us your hand.
Don't worry about it, it's fine.
Pass us your hand.
Hey.
I like it, yeah.
Yeah. It's all right.
Reminds me of that time Mum took us to Southend. Do you remember?
Vaguely.
Well, I do. I remember you crying your eyes out because Mum wouldn't let you ride on the donkeys.
Hey, don't know what you're talking about. I remember you pissing yourself. Mum had to take you up to that
so
cafe
you
to
do
get you
remember
cleaned up.
then?
Yeah.
How old were you then? About 7?
Yeah, something like that.
I must have only been a toddler. Do you think we'll ever have days like that again? What's going on?
I don't know. Just wait here.
I'm not a kid, Ryan.
I know. Not this again. Sake. I don't want another argument, okay? What is it?
Get on this. I spotted a car further down the beach.
What's it doing there?
I don't know.
Is anybody in it?
I don't know, I just thought I'd come and get you, because you know.
Right. Yeah, so we'll check it out. Just stay behind me, okay?
What do you reckon happened to them?
I don't know.
Do you reckon it was, you
As
know?
I said I don't know.
Yeah, I thought, you know, because you brought your little bag at 6, you could teach me how to siphon a petrol.
Only if it's cool, though. Right, okay. Right, first thing you need to do is check if it's petrol. Flip the cap off and sniff it. Does it smell like petrol?
I want to know it's not diesel.
Because it would smell like diesel.
Yeah, right, okay.
Right, grab this. Next thing, stick one end in the tank. And what you're going to do, start sucking through petrol into there. Yeah? Go on, suck then. You just got to be careful not to get your mouth from you. You all right?
What's going on?
Nothing. Sam found another car, so we siphoned the petrol.
Why not just take the car?
Nah, you don't want to do that.
It's not roadworthy. We managed to get as much as we could, but your boyfriend champed most of it. Look, we should sleep soon. The early move on, the better.
I'm in the back then.
Night. You sleep. I'll take first watch.
Wake me up when it's my turn. I told you to wake me up.
Look, don't worry about it. It's sound.
Well, it's not sound, is it? You haven't slept for days.
I'm fine.
You're not fine. Pass me the keys, I'll drive.
I said I'm fine. Let's just go.
No. Just so you can pass out behind the wheel and kill us all.
Fine.
Fine. Is that all you're going to say?
Fine.
Sam, pass us that map. Right, so if we make our way up to that town...
No. No towns.
But the petrol.
No towns, Maggie. We stay off the main roads and we stay away from the populated areas.
Right, well, the only other way then is right through the moors. Then we'll have a clear run right up to the border.
And that's what we'll do then. Let's go.
What should we do?
I don't know. It's getting dark though, we need to get off the road.
Shall we wire up and ask him?
Why? Do you not think I can make a decision without his approval?
No, I didn't mean that.
Right. We're going to pull in the woods and we're just going to stay there for the night.
All right. Should go check that car out, see if I can do that siphoning trick again.
Don't know about that. You've only just got the taste out of your mouth from last time.
No, but I think I know what I've done wrong this time.
No, let's leave it till tomorrow.
I bet you never pictures us like this a couple of months ago, eh? Think about it this way, though. And if we want to move in together, and you want a house, you can just pick anyone. And I'll knock the door down, and it's yours.
Oh, yeah. Providing it's some angry farmer in there with chocolate.
Yeah, what are the chances of that, like?
Pretty fucking good, apparently.
Is Ryan still pissed about that? I thought he was going to fucking batter me.
Nah. I think he actually quite likes you, to be honest.
He's very protective of you.
Is it?
Yeah. I think he just doesn't want you to get hurt.
Hurt by who? You? Kick your ass myself.
Oh, I don't doubt that.
Right, come on, sleep. Get up.
What time is it?
Fucking quiet.
What? Shit. Ryan! Wake up! Wake up! What's wrong?
I don't know. I don't fucking know.
What's going on? We don't have any petrol.
What? How? I thought you fixed it.
I did fix it. You saw me do it.
You obviously fucking didn't, did you? You didn't put enough tape on.
It wasn't leaking, was it?
Well, it fucking is now. What are we gonna do?
There's that car in the road. We can see if it's got any petrol. We can siphon. There's another car. Why didn't you sort this out last night?
Well, why didn't you put enough tape on?
Will you just shut the fuck up, man? Ryan, trust your sister. She's not a kid anymore. And Maggie, for once in your fucking life, listen to what your brother's got to say. He's trying to keep us alive. If we're gonna get out of this, we need to work together and stop making it hard for each other, man. Fuck's sake. That's all there is to it. Right, Sam, go find that car, get the petty can, and get as much petrol out of it as you can. I'm counting on you, yeah? Maggie, get under that car, sort that leak out. I'll see whatever you need.
Right.
Yeah, I trust you. Right, your tape there. Oh, fuck. Shit. Fuck, manny bastard.
need to go.
Just give it a second.
Right, fucking go.